Understanding value investing, a smart approach to growing your wealth. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and valuable topic in the world of finance: value investing. This investment strategy is not just about picking stocks. It's about buying them at a price less than their intrinsic value. So, if you're curious about how to make smart investment choices, you're in the right place. Value investing is a strategy used by investors who look for stocks that they believe are undervalued by the market. In simpler terms, it means finding bargains. Think of it like shopping for a high-quality item at a discount price. The idea is that the stock's market price does not reflect its true or intrinsic value. Over time, the investor expects the stock to adjust to its real value, leading to profits. There are a few key principles that guide value investors. 1. Research is key. Value investors spend a lot of time researching and analyzing companies. They look at financial statements, evaluate company performance, and assess the management team. 2. Margin of safety. This is a fundamental concept in value investing. It means buying stocks at a significant discount to their intrinsic value, which reduces the risk of loss. 3. Long-term focus. Value investing is not about quick profits. Investors who follow this strategy are prepared to hold on to their investments for years, allowing their value to manifest. 4. Patience is a virtue. The market might take time to recognize the true value of an undervalued stock. Value investors need to be patient and wait for their investments to pay off. Benefits. Potential for high returns. Buying undervalued stocks can lead to significant profits when they correct to their true value. Lower risk. The margin of safety can protect investors from big losses. Challenges. Finding undervalued stocks requires a lot of research and analysis. It can be a test of patience, as it often takes time for the investments to yield returns. Market conditions can affect the performance of value stocks. Value investing is a powerful strategy for those looking to grow their wealth over the long term. It requires diligence, patience, and a keen eye for detail. Remember, the goal is to find stocks that are not just cheap, but undervalued, offering a margin of safety and the potential for significant returns. We hope this video has shed some light on value investing and how it can be a smart addition to your investment strategy. Happy investing, and see you in our next video.